you, welcome back. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This one is the battery hydrometer, 8-inch deep cycle battery hydrometer tester, hydraulic density meter, car battery repairing tool. So yeah, with this you could test out the gravity on your sulfuric acid battery and check if it's good or not. So this is professional for measuring acidity and alkaline storage battery solution. Provides you a more exact data and high quality glass and rubber, more conductive to detection and observation of the test results. So hopefully we could test out on that. So I got this for $8.95, free shipping and tax and everything total. That was a pretty good price on Amazon. So I was shopping around eBay and comparing prices. So somehow I go back to Amazon and find a cheaper price because there are many different sellers selling at different prices, some higher, some lower. So this is probably the lowest that I found. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So red means discharge, white means low charge, green means fully charged. So yeah, make sure you remove this. It's supposed to be free floating. So yeah, this is real glass, gotta be careful. Yeah, I'm not sure how I'm gonna get this thing out. Oh shoot. Yeah, let me go get a rubber tube. Try to get this thing out. I'm supposed to get that thing out. Hopefully I put it correctly. Yeah, that should be right. So you need to suck out the solution from the battery. And then you should indicate if the solution in your battery acid is good or not. Anyway, we'll try to test it out. Maybe that's the other video, because it's got to wear the glove and everything, and make sure everything is good. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.